If you want to change theme on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, what you can do is go to the Themes app that you can find by default in the home screen, and also, for example, in the app drawer. Over here, make sure that you are in Themes, and you should be able to find some example themes that we can install on our phone. Of course, we can go through the different options, categories, and so on and so forth, or even search for something more specific. I'm gonna simply choose this one as an example to show you how to install it. So once we are here, we need to press download at the bottom of the screen. And once it is downloaded, we can either press apply, or we can press customize in order to choose what should be used. In my case, only icons was selected because I was messing around before, but in your case, everything should be selected. So, and then we can press apply. In this case, we see compatibility issues because the theme was made for older system, but I'm gonna still press got it to see how it looks like. Of course, in your case, if you find your theme, you might not see this. But there we go. As you can see, we have easily changed the theme, and that's pretty much it. This is how we can apply a new theme for your Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.